Clear.
Right.
Let's roll right away.
Auburn traffic, Mooney 3 Golf Golf, taking off runway 34, get left in on departure, Auburn. Okay, power set. Temperatures and pressures are good. Rotate. Afternoon, Seattle departure, Mooney 93 Golf Golf, 5 miles to the south of Seattle. Let's open our IFR flight plan.
And number 3 Golf Golf, you can maintain VFR and you are cleared to climb in Class Bravo airspace. Now you can begin your way northbound. I'll have your clearance push you a little bit further north out of the terrain.
Alright, remain VFR cleared into the Class Bravo and we'll wait for the clearance. 3 Golf Golf.
So down at 3 Golf Golf, this yellow first. Are you able to maintain your own terrain instruction clearance to climb to 4,000?
3 Golf Golf, correct.
3 Golf Golf, Roger. You are cleared to Spokane Field Airport via radar vector to intercept Victor 2, Moses Lake, Zoomer 1 arrival. Fly heading leading 4,000 rather. Fly heading 020 and maintain 6,000.
Alright, do you want to read that back?
Yep.
Roger, we're cleared as filed. 93 Golf Golf, cleared as filed. Radar vectors to intercept Victor 2, Moses Lake, Zoomer arrival into Gray County, or Southfield. Maintain VFR to 4,000, then cleared to 6 under the clearance. And we're squawking 4640 on 93 Golf Golf.
393 Golf Golf here, and your reback is correct. Thank you. Golf Golf, you can turn right now, heading 050.
Right to 050 for 3 Golf Golf.
93 Golf Golf, on that heading, join Victor 2, stand by. Join Victor 2 and resume navigation.
Alright, join Victor 2 on that heading, 3 Golf Golf, resume mode now.
And then Mooney 3 Golf Golf, fly maintain 7,000.
Up to 7 for 3 Golf Golf.
Mooney 3 Golf Golf, fly maintain 900,000.
The 900,000, 3 Golf Golf.
Mooney 93 Golf Golf, fly maintain 11,000.
Up to 11,000, 3 Golf Golf. Wow, we're getting a lot of actual IMC, huh? Yep.
Contact Seattle Center. Actually, clear right here for you go your entry area, but intermittent moderate precipitation is going to extend about 20 miles along your rate of flight. Contact Seattle Center 126.1.
And Center Mooney 3 Golf Golf, like to get a deviation of 60 degrees to the right for weather. So, 3 Golf Golf, deviation right course approved, maintain 11,000. Deviation approved, 93 Golf Golf. Descend and maintain 9,000. Down to 9,000, 3 Golf Golf, and we'll proceed direct to Moses Lake now. 3 Golf Golf, that's thank you. Golf, 1 minute.
0.2545 Golf, no traffic.
Thank you. 23 Golf Golf, fly heading 070. I'm going to take you across international and then direct south. 070 with you Golf Golf. 3 Golf Golf Golf, it's going to maintain 7,500.
93 Golf Golf down to 7.5, and can we do like maybe 5 degrees to the right here for just a couple minutes?
93 Golf Golf, the deviation to the right is approved. Advise when you're back on a 70 heading.
93 Golf Golf, roger.
Okay, Spokane has a 90537 Romeo 9000 information Quebec. Like to begin our descent to Spokane. And approach 3 Golf Golf, head back to 070 now. 3 Golf Golf, thanks. 93 Golf Golf, descend and maintain 6,000. Down to 6 for 3 Golf Golf.
November 3 Golf Golf, turn right heading 090.
Right to 090 for 3 Golf Golf.
November 3 Golf Golf, turn left heading 050.
Left to 050 for 3 Golf Golf.
November 3 Golf Golf, descend and maintain 5,600.
Down to 5,600 for 3 Golf Golf.
November 3 Golf Golf, I'm bringing you in on the left downwind for the visual approach to runway 22 right. Advise when you have the airport in sight. And actually I could use a base report from that area too when you get there.
3 Golf Golf will leave the base report. Thanks for the help. Will be on the left hand one there.
November 3 Golf Golf, turn left heading 030.
Left to 030 for 3 Golf Golf.
November 3 Golf Golf, descend and maintain 5,000.
Down to 5 for 3 Golf Golf.
Okay, so and 93 Golf Golf just popped out of it here. The airport's where?
November 3 Golf Golf, the airport at 8 o'clock and about 4 miles.
Yeah, we don't have it.
Okay, unfortunately it's in a rain shower right now.
November 3 Golf Golf, you want the ILS?
Yeah, that'd be great, thank you.
November 3 Golf Golf, roger, maintain 5,000, continue on your present heading.
93 Golf Golf, roger.
November 3 Golf Golf, turn right heading 040.
Right to 040 for Golf Golf.
November 3 Golf Golf, turn left heading 290.
Left to 290 for 3 Golf Golf.
November 3 Golf Golf, turn left heading 250 during the localizer inbound.
Left to 250 for the localizer, 3 Golf Golf.
November 3 Golf Golf is 2 miles from Hanson, maintain 5,000 till established on the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 22 right approach.
93 Golf Golf, roger.
November 3 Golf Golf, contact Foxtrot 132.5.
132.5 for 3 Golf Golf, thanks.
93 Golf Golf would be on the ILS.
November 93 Golf Golf has Charlie, runway 22 right. Clear to land, plan on rolling out all the way to the end.
93 Golf Golf, roger, we'll plan on rolling out to the end.
November 93 Golf Golf, wind check 310 at 10, gust 20. 3 Golf Golf.
I got the runway.
Yep, runway's inside straight.
93 Golf Golf has the runway. Wind check for 93 Golf Golf, please.
Wind 31010, gust 17.
Okay, be surprised.
Phelps ground, Mooney 3 Golf Golf. I'd like to taxi to the display ramp.
Mooney 3 Golf Golf, Phelps ground, taxi to the display ramp via Alpha.
Display ramp via Alpha for 3 Golf Golf.